Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem of missing driver. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the first notification of my video. And let's get started.